In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A52 so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A52 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app, and you're going to make sure you're on the keypad and type in *#06 and then pound. This will show you the IMEI. You'll need to write down this top number and you're going to use it in the next step of the video. We're going to tap the home button and next go to the Google Chrome app here and go to the website theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. First, the manufacturer, which is Samsung. Next, for the model, you're going to go down to Galaxy and then A52 right here. So there is A52 and A52 5G, so make sure you select the appropriate model. Tap unlock now. On the next step, it will ask you a few questions about where you purchased the phone. First is going to be the country, so United States, and then the carrier is going to be AT&T, and we're going to tap next again. Now you're going to swipe up and you're going to enter the IMEI that we got in the first step of the video here, your full name, your email address, and a contact number. The way it works is you're going to submit the order, you're going to check out with PayPal. This is what it will cost to unlock the phone, $29. And then it will take basically 24 hours, anywhere from 1 hour to 24 hours for them to receive your request and then to reply with the final unlocking steps. It does vary depending on the carrier and depending on the model. So it's important to put a contact email address that you do check often, because that's where they're gonna send those final instructions to. So next, what you'll need to do is in the box of your phone, you'll find this little piece here, which is called the SIM tool. You're going to use this to pop out the SIM card. If you can't find this, it's okay. You can take a paper clip and just open it up, and then you're going to insert it on the left side of the phone like this to open the SIM tray. And that's where you'll put in the SIM card for the new service you want to use it with. And here I have a T-Mobile SIM card that I would put right in there. And then you'll need to restart the phone. And for this phone, you would need to swipe down from the top, swipe down again, and then tap the power button at the top of the screen, and then just tap the restart button. After that, you'll need to follow the final instructions in the email from the unlocking company. Again, the process varies and it does change from time to time, so you'll need to reference that email for the last steps of the unlock. A few more things to point out. For this website, at the top of the screen, you will find a toll-free number you can call, as well as a number that you can text for 24-hour support. And they do offer a money-back guarantee as well. So if they're not able to unlock your phone, they will give you a full refund. So I love the fact that you do have a refund. It just shows you that the company is standing by their service. And also you do have a direct number to connect with them to follow up on your order. So anyway, guys, I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.